In this video, I'll go over how you can pay in cash on DoorDash. So to do this, first just open up the DoorDash app or website, and this won't work with every single vendor. For example, for me on McDonald's, it's not available because the restaurant that you are ordering from needs to enable this. So you can see that right here, how to sign up for cash on delivery. So as a merchant, they need to enable that their customers are able to pay in cash. So the restaurants that have enabled this are the ones where you can order it. Now you cannot really see that from just clicking on it. You need to actually go to the checkout. So it may take some time to find one. Now one that often works is Papa John's, since they have enabled it in most cities. But for this example, I'll just show you. So let's say I want to order from Dunkin'. Then I can just click on it, then add whatever you want onto your cart. Then from there, go and click on continue. Then here just add the address, your account details and stuff like that. And then under payment details, if this is a restaurant that has enabled cash on delivery, then from here you can just go and select cash, and then they will ask you to have the exact amount that it will cost, plus any optional tips, so that you can just give it to the driver because they don't carry change. So you do need to make sure that, for example, this one costs $11.88, that you have at least that amount in cash to give to the driver. So that's how we can pay in cash on DoorDash. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.